Are you a consumer? Buying everything from needs to wants? I can say that it's a yes, since we've all experienced buying from mini tindahan, grocery stores, clothing shops, and many more. But here's the question. What can you say about the known brands and local brands? Today, we will ask Luxinians about their insights.
Unang tanong, ano yung pinakamahal mong nabili?
Yung bolero.
Pangalawang tanong, ano yung pinakamura mong nabili naman po?
Yung candy since piso lang naman siya sa ibang tindahan.
So, ano yung naging experience mo sa both products na mahal and mura?
Para sa akin yung mura. Parang convenient sila eh. I mean, suitable siya sa lahat. Parang mabilis na lang siyang bilihin. Pero yung ibang mga murang products kasi may pagka-low quality. While yung sa high quality naman, ay sa mga mahal, ayun, high quality naman sila. And ayun, masyadong pricey nga. Pero okay lang kasi bumabawi naman dun sa sa benefits na makukuha mo.
Ano yung mas gusto mo? Yung mas kilala ba or yung mga galing local?
Yung mas kilala, kahit na mahal.
Ano ang mas gusto mo? Yung mas kilala ba or yung mga galing local?
Mas kilala.
Yung sunod na tanong, so ano yung mas gusto mo? Yung mga galing ba sa kilalang brands or yung galing sa local, sa ating mga Pilipino?
Normally, ang mas gusto ko pa rin yung local brands kasi syempre doon ka lumaki tapos mas mahal din talaga yung mga branded.
So ito na yung huling tanong. Sa palagay mo, paano mapapahusay ng mga local brands ang kanilang image sa mga mamimili?
Siguro magagawa nila yun kapag nakinig sila sa tawag dito, sa hinaing ng taong masa kung ano yung gusto ng nung mga consumer syempre. Tapos pwede sila mag-try ng iba't ibang strategy. Hanapin nila kung ano yung key factor na kinukuha ng mga tao doon sa mga branded. Tapos baka pwede rin nilang i-input doon sa gawa nila.
From the answers of some Luxinians, they prefer brand goods rather than the local goods. What is the reason behind of this? Be with us to tackle this one.
Based on our research of Palomo, due to the presence of international trade in the Philippines, Filipinos have become obsessively accustomed to consuming foreign brands. When considered in a more profound way, colonial mindset can influence a person's consumption pattern and lead to a state of reliance.
In the Philippines, global trade has greatly increased cultural exposure. Internationally produced goods have drawn Filipinos' attention to their consumption, partly also due to the media influence.
Many customers felt that worldwide companies provide high-quality items solely because of their global availability and sales, with the assumption that global success demonstrates excellent quality and justifies the high price.
Example of these are Coca-Cola, Apple, Chanel, Starbucks, Mercedes, and more. These are also considered as a global cultural icons.
Why do Filipinos favor imported goods above those made locally? Filipinos tend to favor imported goods over native ones due to factors such as cost, quality, and choices. On the other hand, using tactics to promote local produce can motivate customers to shop at nearby supermarkets.
Because they believe imported goods to be of superior quality, Filipinos could for them. It can also be heard from the answers of the participants, and they have mentioned that they prefer to buy from known brands because of its quality than purchasing from the local brands.
With these findings, the question is why we need to discuss this way. As I mentioned, most of the Filipinos prefer global brands rather than the local brands because it's perceived it's quality.
It is known that we don't usually use or buy goods that came from our own country, the Philippines. It has an effect when we start purchasing products created by our fellow Filipinos. We are not only supporting our communities but also contributing to the overall well-being of our country.
When we buy products made by local businesses such as Cultura Filipino, which offers an expansive range of products made from indigenous materials, we are directly contributing to the livelihoods of Filipino workers and their families. Hence, it helps to create jobs and stimulate economic growth within our communities.
Thank you to everyone who shared their insights with us today. It is clear that nurturing consumer perception towards local brands is essential for fostering a thriving community. We're inviting you to try and support products created by our fellow Filipinos that make our country unique. Until next time, take care